Hey guys, this is Joshua from Joshua's Fun Video.
Hi, it's me, Jacob. It's me, James.
Today we are going to be opening the Magic Track Extreme.
Magic Tracks Extreme. Magic Tracks Extreme.
It has 200 pieces of track that glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark.
As seen on TV. So you've probably seen this before. It has the car has 6 LED lights. It's for ages 3 and up. It has amazing tracks that bend, flex, and, as I already told you, glow. And 78 decals. Let's get to it.
Open it.
Whoa!
Look at all the stuff.
Here's the car.
And here is the track.
We got to the tracks.
Track.
Check out these colors. And here is the Magic Tracks Fun Guide. The tracks can easily be put together. Boom. Let's build the track. The track is ready, but we still gotta put the batteries in the car.
But is that a rainbow track?
Kinda.
Yeah.
It's a neon track.
Blue and the red and the green and the yellow.
Time to put the batteries in.
Time to put them in. But James is taking the battery away. Now it works.
Yep. Now it definitely works.
Put it in the track.
Not yet, Jacob. Make sure you have all your screws put back in and tightened up. You turn it on and off by pressing the go button right here.
Whoa!
I think it's time to add some decals. Decals! Time to pep up my ride. Car! Here's the car. I already put some decals on it, so that's why it looks different. These are the 4 colored tracks we got.
This is an O. I made it straight O.
Now, Put it over your head.
Yay! Now it's mine. It's supposed to be a no.
Yay! He went back home. The car made it past the cave of doom.
Dude!
You?
It tickled me.
Let's make this track even more fun. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.